First time outside. Got their first shots, 6-week shots. First time outside. First time outside. Let's see. That's up. Yeah, I like this. They like, man, what is this? We outside. Look, they what I'm talking about. They that boo-boo. Look at that boo-boo going on. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we want. We want all that. Good potty. Good potty. Man, the train to begin, man. They can go outside. The train to begin. We only got 3 of them left. 2 grays, 1 black. The first shots today. 6 weeks. Oh yeah. Look at that pen over there. Look at that pen, man. You know what I'm talking about. He white. Look at him. He finna boo-boo. No clean up, no poop, man. Gonna get right. But they so happy. They got they shots, they good. Of course, man. I'm telling y'all, man. Look at that pee. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Come on. My little cows, man. They know what's up. Hey, don't put none of your man. Hey. No. No, no, no. You gotta watch them. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. I ain't gonna record it, but that's what we need. Look at him. He trying to play with him while he use it. All that potting. Look at that potty over there. He just got this potting too. Yes, sir. No more in-the-house potty. But this will be potty trying in the next week or so. I guarantee they ain't gonna use it in there. With that cage and them. But they having fun, man. They having fun, man. Cool Corsos, man. Stop playing.